Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Teacher Casey and I just got booked with a Starlight group class. So this is my first time teaching a Starlight group and it is tomorrow at 6:10 a.m. because the group classes are 40 minutes. So for example, 6:10 to 6:50 will be one class. So I looked on my phone here and I saw that I had the group class at 6:10, and when I clicked on it, it said no class details. When I clicked on the group students, it said no student detail, and I was kind of like, because normally I check on my phone. So then I came to my portal, and I wanted to show you what it looks like and how you can get ready for your classes. So I'm going to share my screen and find my portal. There we go. Okay, so you can see here is the class here. It is August 22nd at 6:10. I do have 6 students already. The names are there. I have entering the classroom and the materials. So I came over to the materials section and it shows that I will be teaching Monty the Artist. It is an assessment. My very first Starlight group class is an assessment. Now, the big thing I wanted to show you was this practice room. I just spent the last 40 minutes, well, less than 40 minutes. The class is 40 minutes, but it didn't take me 40 minutes to get through. But I will say that I am very glad that I took the time to drag and drop the students. And every time I forgot to end the stage, it would pop up and tell me. So I was able to practice that way. I did look through the class info and I see here this assessment goes quickly, even with 6 students. And I had read other teachers saying it was kind of an easy assessment. So at the beginning of the lesson, I'm just going to show you where it says, hello, my name is. I plan on each student going up there and introducing themselves. Each student will get a turn on the rainbow. So it's allowed me to prepare better since I know that this one's quick. There are some other ones that I've seen teachers saying, wow, that was a long assessment. It took me 50 minutes. So here, I suggest you go to the practice room. You are entering the practice room, not the actual classroom, and then all of this. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like before I close it down. So really quick, you can see it's installing. It gave me a reminder to keep my headphones on at all times. Start class. Ta-da! Now, you see the slide, you see what's up next. And I just want to show you to make sure you practice dragging and dropping. So this is how you go on stage and I can drag. So I suggest everybody go into practice the putting your students on stage, okay? Here's how you end the on-stage interaction. You can give them gestures and all of the fun stuff. If you're having trouble in the classroom, you can click on here. Here's things that you're telling the students right here. So all good stuff to know. I am going to stop sharing. I just want to let you know that VIPKid has some amazing workshop mentors. I went to Lucy West's workshop and she goes into detail all about all of this. So you'll want to go to one of those workshops to get started, to learn a little bit about what you're doing, some problem solving tips they have, and that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Starlight group classes from VIPKid are still a go at this time, August 21st, 2021. All right, everybody, happy teaching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.